Hi everyone, I am Aksa Zafar and welcome back to MLTube. Here I share practical tutorials on AI, machine learning and tools that make your tech journey easier. If you love learning step by step with real examples, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a new video. In this lesson, we will learn about subagents. First, we will talk about what subagents are. Then we will learn why subagents are part of Claude Code. Next, we will go through the key benefits of using subagents. After that, we will see how subagents fit into Claude Code as a whole. Then we will look at a real-world example to make it easier to imagine. And finally, we will explore some common subagent examples inside Claude Code. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of subagents. First, let's understand what are subagents. Subagents are built to handle specific kinds of work inside Claude Code. They focus on one task at a time for better speed and clarity. Every subagent knows its job and has the tools it needs to complete it. That's what keeps each one efficient and reliable. Subagents do their work separately without interrupting other tasks. Once done, they connect smoothly back into the main workflow. After completing a task, Subagent sends only the result you need. No extra information, just clean and useful output. So why subagents exist? Subagents keep each topic and task separate from the rest. This prevents confusion and keeps your workspace clear. They stop unrelated details from mixing into your work. Every task stays focused on its own goal. Each subagent handles a single area, so it becomes skilled at that task. This focus leads to better accuracy and faster results. Multiple subagents can work at the same time. That means more tasks get done without slowing each other down. Let's see the key benefits of subagents. Each subagent has its own space to think and work. That keeps the context clean and prevents mix-ups. Every subagent is designed for one kind of task. This focus makes it consistent and dependable. You can use the same subagent in different projects. It saves time and keeps your processes uniform. Each subagent works with only the tools it needs. This keeps your setup secure and easy to manage. Now let's see how subagents fit into Claude Code. The main system acts like a manager that assigns tasks. It decides which subagent is best for the job. Tasks are handed off to the right subagent when needed. This helps distribute work efficiently. The chosen subagent completes the work in its own space. It focuses only on what's assigned to it. Once done, it sends the final result back to the main workflow. This keeps your process organized and results clear. Imagine Claude Code as a company with different departments. Each one handles its own responsibilities. Just like QA checks quality and DevOps handles deployment, each subagent has its own goal and area of focus. Departments work on their own but share their results with management. That's how subagents keep things structured and connected. Let's go through common subagent examples. The code reviewer checks your updates for errors and quality issues. It helps you keep your code clean and consistent. The debugger looks at what went wrong in your test. It helps you trace and fix problems quickly. The data scientist subagent handles data analysis and reporting. It turns complex data into clear, useful findings. Now let's recap the lesson. Subagents are focused helpers built to handle different parts of your work. Each one has a clear role and stays in its lane. They come with their own workspace and tools. This helps them stay consistent across different tasks. Because subagents handle tasks separately, your main workflow stays simple, smooth, and easy to manage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MLTube for more AI and machine learning tutorials.